So, have you heard about the breakthrough where rats started walking again after spinal cord repair using 3D printing? It's
Yeah,
like
that's wild.
a whole new chapter in regenerative medicine.
Definitely, it's fascinating. They combine 3D printing, stem cell technology, and lab grown tissues to create what they call an organoid scaffold, right?
Exactly. Yep. The scaffold isn't just any structure. It's engineered with microscopic channels that guide stem cells to turn into functioning nerve cells, which then form connections bypassing the injury.
Right, that's genius. So these channels ensure the new nerve fibers grow correctly, like sort of a blueprint for nerve regeneration.
Right on. It's like giving the cells a roadmap to follow. The engineered scaffold directs regionally specific spinal neural progenitor cells to differentiate in a way that restores function.
That's really something. But, don't you think it might be overly optimistic to think this method will scale easily to humans? I mean, translating from rats to human spinal cords could be a huge leap.
I get that concern. Sure, rats offer proof of concept, but the team at the University of Minnesota is clearly excited. They envision these mini spinal cords as a template for future clinical
Yep, that
applications.
makes sense. Right. And the idea is that these scaffolds act like a relay system, reconnecting areas that were completely severed. Pretty revolutionary.
Absolutely. The new nerve cells, or neurons, grow in both directions, rostral and caudal, to form new bridges with the host's existing circuits. It's like, wiring up a broken circuit board, you know?
Yeah, that's a really cool analogy. And so, over time, these newly integrated cells help restore motor functions.
Exactly, and the implications are huge. With over 300,000 people in the US alone suffering from spinal cord injuries, this research opens up a realm of possibilities to reverse paralysis.
Absolutely, that's a game changer. I wonder though, isn't the process still very complex? I mean, using human adult stem cells to create specific regional neural progenitor cells, then integrating lab grown tissues with 3D printing, it's like a multi layer cake of advanced tech.
Yeah, it's super complex, but that's what makes it so promising. Each layer, from the precise 3D printed structure to the tailored cell types, is designed to mimic natural spinal cord development.
Right, very innovative. And the fact that they've already seen functional recovery in rats, that's pretty compelling evidence.
Absolutely. It's like they rewired the rat's spinal cords, resulting in restored movement. And think about the potential. One day, this could mean personalized treatment, maybe even custom printed scaffolds for individual patients.
Yeah, that sounds promising. At the same time, I have to ask, do you think we're rushing into clinical trials too quickly? We need to be sure about long term safety and efficacy before translating directly to humans.
That's a fair point. There's no doubt that the path to human application is filled with regulatory and scientific hurdles, but the groundwork is definitely being laid.
Right, cautious optimism is key. So, overall, this integration of 3D printing and stem cell tech might just redefine how we approach spinal cord injuries.
Exactly. It's about re envisioning treatment. Instead of merely managing symptoms, this technique tackles the root cause nerve fiber damage.
Absolutely, it's revolutionary. Fascinating stuff indeed. Thanks for breaking that down. It's really interesting to see how technology is pushing the boundaries of medical science.
No problem. It's an exciting time for regenerative medicine. Who knows what the next breakthrough might be, especially when tech and biology seamlessly merge.